Need a recipe for fish sauce? Don't worry, I got you. This is 2 from Top Chef Season 15. Let's start off with coconut water. We're gonna add a little sugar, put it over heat just to let it dissolve. The sugar's there just to round out the fish sauce funk. We can add more or less later. All right, going into supremes of citrus. I like to use limes. They're a little bit more tart. My favorite to have tart. You use oranges, lemons, whatever you have. Take out the pulp, that's where all the flavor is. Scrape it all out. Save all the juice, put it in a bowl, set it aside. All right, get a wooden mortar, stone mortar if you got it. And then pound shallots, garlic, and any sort of chili you may have. Serrano or jalapeno if you're afraid of spice. Add in your limes, coconut water, and then your fish sauce. If the taste isn't to your liking, add more or less sugar. It's gonna help round everything out. Season to taste, and remember to tag me on Instagram at Chef2DavidFood. I hope you guys enjoy my recipe. Peace.